Wait guys, I need to process that this is day 20 of Vlogmas. Like what? Seriously? When I started, I was thinking like this is not going to happen till 24th of December because it's really like too much. This is really like a lot of content ideas that I need to think about. But look at us, we are at day 20 guys. My god, I'm feeling so Christmassy now. And today is the right time to set up my house a little Christmassy. Like I told you, the decor and everything is going to be very minimal. But still, we have to do something about the Christmas decor, right? And most of the declutter is done, guys. Like most of it. Yesterday, I finished a makeup table and a lot of things around the house. So pretty much it's in a good space. Even till now, I was doing a little bit of decluttering. Help will be coming and cleaning up, sweeping, mopping and everything she'll be doing after this. So yes, guys, the OOTD, I wanted to wear something Christmassy. So I wore this black top and this check pants, which I feel is so Christmassy. It is a little loose for me. Actually, it's like loose, but nevertheless, at least it gives me the Christmas feel. So this is what I'm wearing today. And yes guys, if you have followed my previous videos, I have removed that white light at the background because it was broken. I have got a new one instead of that. Look at this guys, Blinkit to the rescue. Look at the paper bag guys, so nice and Christmassy, right? Look at this, like it has a Christmas tree and like what are these, like decor and everything, so pretty. And look at this, it has like a whole Christmas theme going on here. My god, this is a lot of effort. Blinkit, India's last minute app. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This is very nice, Blinkit. Merry Christmas Santa Dada. Very Indian also. That's nice. And these are some gifts and Christmas decor and all that, and the tree. In this, I have got the same light that I had before. Actually guys, first I had the fairy lights which blinks, and I used to turn on the tube light and the fairy light, and I used to like that vibe actually. But then the next time I didn't get the fairy light and I got only the rope light, and I was not happy about it. I was like, oh, it's not gonna look nice. But once I put it on, it was looking so good. Like I didn't even need the white light. I just turned this light and it is so pretty. It gives like a very good ambience, especially if I'm chilling at home during the weekend. It is amazing. So I got the same light again. And then I have got few candle tea crystal lights, which I feel is very, very pretty. Actually, I wanted to get the actual candles. I didn't like the options that they had at the site, so I thought I'll buy it later from a good store. And the ones that I loved was from Miss Boo, and they have removed the store near my house. Something else has come in that place. So there is no store to buy. I might go to Miniso and buy. Miniso also has like really, really good candles. So these I will place it later. So today you will be seeing slightly a Christmas decor happening in the house guys. But I think the main look you might see only before Christmas. Although it might not be very different guys, I'm telling you. And my Christmas tree. Okay, the Christmas tree. I was thinking a lot to buy like a big Christmas tree, like a 4 feet at least. Like a little big compared to what I have. But you know what, again guys, I'm not hosting any major Christmas event or having like a major Christmas party at home. So I thought I will go back to that same small Christmas tree that I have and I will place it in the table. So I think that should be okay. And mainly I think these things I'm doing because I love decorating my space for Christmas, like I already told you. And also since I'm doing 24 days of Vlogmas, of course I want to do Christmassy things. So that's why I'm doing this. And I do have decor from the last year actually. So maybe I'll use the same things. In case I need something like these things, I'm buying it. But otherwise pretty much the same Christmas tree I'm going to place again. And for the Christmas tree also I have like decor. So yes guys, that is that. I will be placing this in some time. And also guys, the bed is a mess because I'm changing and cleaning everything now. But look at this guys, I had Christmas sheets. I didn't even know this. Like, you know, I was opening my cupboard and checking, and I had like Christmassy bed sheets and like pillow cover as well. Although I feel like the pillow cover is slightly like in a faded side, I think it's still good, right? I was like, this is the perfect time to put it as well. So I put these sheets instead and make it look more Christmassy. Guys, I'm not the best in making my bed, but still I've tried something. Look at that guys, it is so Christmassy, it is so pretty. It has a Christmas tree, snowflakes, oh my god, it looks amazing. Even at Chennai home, my dad puts it for me. So yes guys, I've tried something. I think I've done a pretty good job. Now I'll do the pillow covers guys.
Guys, I cannot believe how amazing this looks already. Look at this guys, it is so pretty. So Christmassy! Yay!
Guys, I have finally managed to put the light as well. I think I can extend this a bit. I'm not too sure. Yeah, maybe I'll do this. Or maybe I can leave it like this. This looks prettier, right? Yes guys. Finally, the light is also done. My god, it took some time. It took some time because I drag it all the way my bags to the monitor and everything. So yeah, it did take some time. But the lights are up. It looks amazing. This is one of my favorite lights. I need to keep the Christmas tree now. Yay!
Guys, I am not even kidding. This could be the smallest Christmas tree, but still, look at this, guys. It is so cute, right? I had got this last year from a local store actually, and look at this. This already came with the bell, and there's few more decor that I added in this Christmas tree also.
I am going to place this Christmas tree only for this year. It is so freaking pretty. I don't know, it could be the smallest Christmas tree, guys, but just looking at it made me so happy. I am still going to place this. I thought of a lot of options, like where will I place it, like I'll keep it that table or like this table and everything. Finally, I thought I'll keep it here because when I enter the door, I can see it, and also when I wake up, I can see the Christmas tree. Although it's a very small one, I think it is super pretty, guys. I am still going to do some decor around the Christmas tree, and maybe I'm thinking of different options actually. For now, guys, this is the setup. I am so happy with the setup.
Makes me feel so nice because finally the declutter is done, finally the Christmas bed sheets are on, finally the makeup table is set, and finally my little Christmas tree is here. I am so happy, guys. I'm genuinely so happy.
But stay tuned, guys. There is a lot more interesting things planned for the next 3 days of Vlogmas. But for now, I'm gonna end this vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 20. I will see you in Vlogmas Day 21. Bye, guys.